happy Vlogmas day number 14. So today's an exciting day. We're going to Missouri. We fly out tonight at like 5. So, and it is currently almost 10 o'clock. I have so much to do. I need to edit 2 more videos and get them uploaded. I need to clean and I need to pack. So, oh, and I need to do the new kit reveal for Instagram. So, it's a busy day. I need to get started. I need to get this done. But I'm probably not gonna vlog a ton during the day, but I will vlog like when we're flying and all that fun stuff. So I'm excited. Gonna go edit and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit when I'm done with everything I need to do. Okay guys, an update. So I am currently working on the full kit reveal photo. So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna get that done. I have finished editing yesterday's vlog. I've completely uploaded it, done the thumbnail, all of that. I finished up the Etsy vlog. I need to upload it, but I haven't done the thumbnail either. I need to upload it and do the thumbnail, and then I'm done with that. And then once I finish the full kit reveal photo, then I just have to clean and pack. So I'm feeling a little bit better about the stuff that I have to do because it is currently 11. And I think James said he's gonna get off at 2:30. He went in like super early this morning so he could get off, so we could go to the airport. So I think I just have to have everything done by like 3 because it'll take him like 10 to 15 minutes to get home, and then just kind of load up the car and everything. So as long as I have everything done by, I mean like basically by 2, but kind of like I have until 3, you know, we should be good. So yeah, that gives me another 4 hours to get everything done. Packing won't take that long because we're literally gonna be there for like a day and a half pretty much. So I won't have to worry too much about that. And cleaning wise, most of the apartment is pretty clean. I just need to do the dishes, unload, reload the dishwasher, wipe down the counters. We need to take the trash out. And I probably won't do like, I don't know, it depends on how much time I have. I probably won't do a full-blown like clean, but I do want everything like tidy before I leave, you know, and I definitely don't want like dishes and stuff in the trash in the apartment while we're gone. So yeah. I'm just like, oh my gosh, there's just a lot. It's a lot. And then we're gonna get there. It's literally like gonna be go 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 the entire time. Like we'll get there, and then tomorrow, he was asking me if I'm okay, and then tomorrow we will I don't even know what I was gonna say. Sorry, I got thrown off by that text message. And then tomorrow, we're making pizzas for my family Christmas, so I'm really excited to show you guys that. We're gonna be doing that. I'm getting my hair cut. We're having family Christmas, obviously, so that's gonna take up a good chunk of the day. And then Sunday, we're going to church with my grandma, and basically after that, we're flying home. So there's just, it's just crazy. I wish we had more time to spend there, but it's just, this is what we could do. So it's better than nothing, but I just wish we had more time, you know? But that's okay, because after all of that, we're gonna come home. We're gonna be home for like 2 weeks or something, and then we're gonna go to Disney with Katie, and we'll get to see my family and stuff. So that's gonna be exciting. We're gonna celebrate New Year's at Disney, which is like one of my favorite things. So yeah, so I'm really excited. There's still lots of fun stuff coming up, but I'm just like overwhelmed with everything that I have to do.
You cannot silence us.
Happy Vlogmas day number 15? 15,
I don't even know what day it is.
15. I forgot to vlog at the airport and, you know, all of our travels yesterday, but we finally made it home to Missouri.
Somebody was too busy watching Life of the Party.
Oh, that is such a good movie. I bought it.
I love that movie. Anyway, now we're going to get our hair cut. So, I'll see you guys when I have different hair. It's gonna be different. Whole new head of hair. Guys, I'm back and I got my hair cut, and I don't even know if you can really tell a difference. It is a little bit shorter, but yeah, so it feels a lot better. But now I'm gonna go curl it because I can't with this. I either need to straighten it or curl it or do something with it. So we're gonna curl it today, and I'm gonna put on my makeup for family Christmas. It's gonna be great. Mom is wrapping presents. You're doing a great job, Mom. You're doing a great job.
This one's mine.
I'm so proud of you. She's wrapping her own presents.
This is my own present.
We have little Roomba over there running to vacuum the carpet. Fun times. We have a James playing video games. Oh, check. Hi, Justin.
How's it going?
Say hi to YouTube. I'm gonna die. So here we have the Christmas tree with all the presents and Roomba. I'm back looking a little bit more human, I think. And I think it's time to start working on the pizzas. So I'm gonna show you guys that. And then people will get here. I think some people are already here. So we gotta start working on those pizzas.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, making some pizzas.
No, you're getting ready to eat.
Well, this is a cauliflower abomination, but
Cauliflower abomination.
Yeah, what pineapple?
But this is a pizza. She said everything but sausage and something.
I need the person to put pineapple just the spice.
can you open the
That was so mean.
Yes.
You got it?
Just don't sit on the glass.
So anyway, we've made like seven of these, right? And then the cauliflower one, but I didn't film it because I'm terrible, but Justin picked up the slack and he made some of the pizzas, so points for him. Snaps for Justin. No,
Hey,
we're not ready for
what you
that.
doing?
I'm cutting pizza.
It looks good on camera.
It looks good, but does it taste?
Somebody else is here.
Okay. Got that pizza cut.
Justin, are you coming with me?
Cover it back up. I like how the
There's a
big
nice little
cup
cup mark.
cut the cheese.
Oh! The cup cut the cheese. You hear that?
You heard it first here on Rachel's vlog.
We can never know for sure.
Whoopsie! This is what happens when you put Rick in charge of something.
In all fairness,
That happened with Reagan earlier in Holland.
what did you expect?
Hey!
Did you show them all the pizzas?
I did.
I started with that.
I showed them all the pizza.
I was making me out of that.
Yeah, save the roll.
We survived family Christmas.
Yeah. Sorry.
A little squirt.
Also, I look
You look
kinda.
great.
Grandma, can I see what all you got?
Thank you.
His tummy is full.
You were like squishing my side.
Come on, you there.
Yeah. Ow!
These crazy little boxes.
I was going to. Well, I'm not trying to vlog your
You're
inappropriate.
welcome to.
Whoa, what is going on over there?
I was just going to say, how's everybody feel about family Christmas?
That was good. We
Yeah,
survived.
we survived.
I was just trying to help you.
Oh, we survived.
Comfortable, but you were like sitting like almost outside. Like,
Guys, that's my grandma. She's the coolest grandma in the world.
Okay, Grandma, I want to see what you got.
Okay, bye.
Just help yourself and look.
She's so cool. She hates the vlog.
It was nice of you to stare at
how dare you hate you?
Right? What is today? 16th. Happy Vlogmas day number 16. We suck at vlog. Well, I suck at vlogging. Oh my goodness. Ugh, looking rough. We're at the Atlanta airport, waiting to go home.
Yep.
But
And you forgot Pinkberry.
I did forget to show you my pinkberry. But
And you
In-
forgot to show them lunch.
in my defense, we were eating pinkberry while walking to our gates, so it's kind of hard to like.
And you forgot to
Walk
show
and walk.
them church.
I wasn't gonna vlog church. I did forget Casey's though.
And you forgot. What else did we
Lunch.
do
I forgot
today?
to
said
vlog lunch
already.
with my family, but I just forgot everything. I'm sorry. This weekend was like go 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 go. There's a trash can thing next to us that does something to the trash. I don't know.
You know, so it's automatic trash can.
Yeah. So anyway, this weekend was go 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 go. So I don't even know like what I got, but
I don't know.
hopefully I got enough.
You got the pizza.
I got the pizza. That's all that mattered. The pizza.
Whole trip.
So anyway, but on the plus side, this probably won't be a super long vlog to edit. So yeah.
But on the negative side, they won't get to see everything we did.
True. I'm sorry. I failed you. Oh, I also got my hair cut. I don't know if I even showed it. Well, I think I showed it,
I mean,
but it was
you've
curled.
been on since.
It was curled and now it's straight. It feels so much better. I love when I get a haircut. And it's like a good haircut, you know? Hello.
I think it feels the same.
Okay. When we get home, we're gonna pick up Dixie. It's gonna be a good time. She's gonna be crazy. Alright, we're gonna go now because it's kind of awkward that we have a camera and we're talking to it. Yeah, it is. Only a little bit. Hey guys, so I just realized that I don't even think we ended the vlog. I think the only clip I got yesterday was us in the Atlanta airport. So I'm so sorry. I feel like I thought this weekend was gonna be like, I would have more time to vlog and like everything, but it was just so crazy. Literally, it was just go, go, go from the time that we got there until we left. And so I did get some clips to show you guys, but I did not get like nearly like what I wanted for this vlog, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. I hope that you got to see a glimpse into like where I'm from and my family and stuff. It was really fun to go back and just be home for Christmas, because even though I haven't lived there in a long time, we moved when I was 15, it's still like home to me. Like that is the, like James and I were talking about it and he was like, well, technically it's still like home to you because you've never lived in one place that long, which is so true. Because after we left Missouri, we lived in North Carolina for 6 years, and then we moved to Tennessee for 2 years, and then to Connecticut for 1 year, and then we were back in Missouri for like 3 months transitioning, and then we moved back to North Carolina. And so I lived in like the Raleigh area when we moved back. I lived there for a year, got married, and then I moved over here. So I've been here for 4 years, but like I would definitely not consider this home. I have like no attachment to this area whatsoever. I have more of an attachment to Nashville than I do here. So technically Missouri is still very much my home, and I go back and it's just like that sense of like comfort and like I'm familiar with it, and like just this like security, I guess. And so I'm definitely still a Missouri girl through and through, and that is still like what I would consider home, even though like I would never want to move back there and live there. It's still like where I came from, and I'm still very proud of it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, and I'm gonna start today's vlog because it is 10 o'clock and I'm dragging today, so gotta start the vlog. So I will see you guys in my next vlog, which I'm just gonna film like right now.